Have you ever wondered how to make money from GigWalk? Today, we are going to uncover this mystery. Welcome to the world where your smartphone isn't just a device for communication or browsing, but a tool to earn some extra cash. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about GigWalk, a platform that transforms the way people work. It's all about completing small tasks, or gigs, for money. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or explore a new way to work, this video is your guide. We'll take you through a step-by-step journey, from setting up an account to finding and completing gigs, all the way to getting paid for your efforts. We'll also share some tips and tricks to help you succeed on this platform, so if you're ready to learn how to make some extra cash, stay with us as we dive into the world of GigWalk. First things first, what exactly is GigWalk? Well, in the simplest terms, GigWalk is like your personal assistant for making money on the go. It's a mobile application that connects you to opportunities in your local area. These opportunities, or gigs as they're called, are small tasks that businesses need done. They might range from taking a photo of a product display in a store to conducting a short survey or even testing an app. Each gig is designed to be completed quickly and conveniently, often in minutes rather than hours. Now, you might be wondering, where do these gigs come from? Good question. They are posted by businesses and companies who want real-world data and insights. For instance, a brand might want to check how their products are displayed in different stores, or a restaurant might want feedback on their service. Instead of hiring full-time employees for these tasks, they turn to GigWalk. GigWalk operates on a simple, yet effective model. You, as a GigWalker, use the app to find gigs in your area. You can choose the gigs that suit you best based on your schedule, location, and interests. Once you complete a gig, you submit your work through the app, and voila! You get paid for your efforts. One of the best things about GigWalk is its accessibility. Anyone with a smartphone can become a GigWalker. It's not about having specific skills or qualifications, it's about being willing to complete small tasks in your local area. And the best part? You get to decide when and where you work. Whether you want to earn some extra cash during your lunch break, or you're looking for a flexible side hustle, GigWalk offers a unique opportunity to earn money on your terms. So, to sum up, GigWalk is a platform that connects businesses with people like you, ready and willing to complete small tasks for pay. It's a win-win situation for both parties. Businesses get the data and insights they need, and you get a flexible way to earn extra income. Now that we know what GigWalk is, let's explore how you can start earning money from it. To start earning, you'll need to set up a GigWalk account. The first step is to download the GigWalk app, which is freely available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Once the app is installed on your device, open it and tap Sign Up to begin the registration process. You'll be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and a password. Be sure to use a valid email address because you'll need to verify it later. You'll also need to set up a PayPal account if you don't have one already, as this is how you'll receive payments for completed gigs. Once you've input all your information, tap Create Account. You'll then be sent a verification email to the address you provided. Open it up, click the verification link, and voila, you're all set. With your GigWalk account ready, you're one step closer to earning money. Having your account set up is great, but how do you find and complete gigs? Let's dive right into that. First things first, you'll want to open up your GigWalk app. On the map, you'll see pins dropped at various locations. Each pin represents a gig. Simple, right? And here's a neat feature. You can adjust the radius of your search to find gigs near you or in areas you plan to visit. Once you've found a gig that interests you, tap on the pin to get more details. You'll see the pay rate, the estimated time it'll take to complete the gig, and a brief description of what the gig entails. If it sounds like something you can handle, go ahead and click on Accept Gig. But remember, once you've accepted a gig, you're committed to it. Now here's where attention to detail really kicks in. Each gig comes with a set of instructions that you need to follow to the letter. These instructions might include taking specific photos, answering questions, or visiting a particular location. It's crucial to be thorough and precise. Any deviation from these instructions might result in your gig being rejected, which means no payment for you. Once you've completed the gig according to the instructions, you'll need to submit your work through the app for review. This process might take a few days, but patience is key here. And don't worry, if your gig is rejected for some reason, you'll be given feedback on what went wrong so you can improve for next time. Remember, the more gigs you complete accurately, the more your reputation within the GigWalk community will grow. This could lead to more lucrative gigs down the line. So it's not just about completing a gig, it's about doing it right. By accurately completing gigs, you can begin to see your earnings increase. So, get out there, find those gigs, and start making the most of your GigWalk experience. Your potential earnings are only limited by your willingness to find and complete gigs. So what are you waiting for? Get gigging. You've completed a gig, but how do you get paid? Well, it's a simple process. But there are a few steps you need to take to ensure your hard work turns into cold, hard cash. For starters, you'll need to link a PayPal account to your GigWalk profile. This is how you'll receive payments for completed gigs. To do this, simply log into your GigWalk account, navigate to the Settings section, and click on Payment Method. There, you'll be able to enter your PayPal email address. Make sure it's the same email address you use for your PayPal account. Once that's done, you're all set to start receiving payments. So, you've finished a gig, you've linked your PayPal account, but when exactly does the money hit your account? Well, once a gig is complete and approved, the payment is processed. This can take up to 5 business days. It's important to keep this timeline in mind, as it can help you manage your expectations and plan your finances accordingly. But what happens if there's a delay? While it's rare, there can sometimes be holdups in the payment process. If it's been more than 5 business days and you haven't received your payment, don't panic. Reach out to GigWalk's support team. They are always ready to assist you and resolve any issues. Remember, GigWalk is a reliable platform that values its gig workers, so rest assured, your payment will come. It's just a matter of when, not if. One more thing to note is that the amount you earn from each gig can vary. Some gigs might pay more than others, so it's worth checking out the details of each gig before you decide to take it on. In conclusion, getting paid through GigWalk is straightforward. All you need is a bit of patience and a PayPal account. And remember, if you run into any problems, GigWalk's support team is there to help. And just like that, you've earned money from GigWalk. Before we wrap up, here are some tips to maximize your earnings. First off, don't shy away from taking on multiple gigs at once. This approach can effectively increase your income, but remember, quality trumps quantity. It's better to complete fewer gigs excellently than many poorly. High-quality work gets noticed and could lead to more gig offers in the long run. Secondly, maintain good communication. If you have questions or need clarification about a gig, don't hesitate to reach out to the client. Clear communication can prevent misunderstandings and ensure you deliver exactly what's expected. Lastly, always be on the lookout for new gigs. Regularly check the GigWalk app and act swiftly when a gig that fits your skills pops up. The early bird often gets the worm in this platform. With these tips, you can make the most out of your GigWalk experience. So, are you ready to start your GigWalk journey? We've walked through the ins and outs of GigWalk, from understanding what it is to setting up an account. We've delved into finding and completing gigs, and most importantly, we've talked about getting paid. GigWalk is an incredible platform that can open doors for you to earn extra income right from your smartphone. It's all about being proactive and taking advantage of the gigs around you. And remember, it's not just about the money, it's about the experience and skills you can gain along the way. So, why not give GigWalk a try? It's simple, it's flexible, and it has the potential to add a significant boost to your income. Don't let opportunities pass you by, grab them, because in the world of GigWalk, every gig is a chance to earn and learn. That's all for today. Remember, every gig counts.